Hey, text-tortured souls.
Tired of staring at words that put you to sleep faster than a narcoleptic sloth? Well, fret no more, because I'm here to unleash the text-twisting, animation-blasting power of Python. Buckle up, buttercups, because this is gonna be a hilarious hot mess. A magical journey. See, even Python can't prevent occasional part faults. But hey, that's the beauty of coding, right? It's like trying to hear kittens. Unpredictable, messy, but ultimately rewarding, if you don't lose an eye in the process. So, we start with these magical incantations called libraries. Now, they're not dusty scrolls, but more like, well, let's just say they're the duct tape and glue of the coding world. You throw them at your problems, and sometimes something amazing sticks. Like, imagine turning your name into a pixelated disco ball that explodes in a shower of glitter and rainbows. Sounds cool, right? Well, with Python, it's about as likely as winning the lottery while wearing mismatched socks. But hey, where's the fun in playing it safe?
Let's embarrass the glorious chaos! Ho ho ho!
Okay. Now, I'm going to fast code the whole project. These are the libraries that we're going to use. Now, I'm not gonna lie, coding can be trickier than untangling Christmas lights after a fruitcake-fueled frenzy. But fear not, young Padawans, even the coding masters started with lines that looked like a toddler wore them. And sometimes, they still do. Now let's run the code to see what have we done so far. Let's say BLH, short for my channel name. Oh dear God. See? Everyone makes mistakes, even the best of us. But hey, that's how we learn, right? And trust me, learning Python is like learning to juggle flaming chainsaws. Eventually, you stop setting yourself on fire, most of the time. So first, let's see, where's the problem? Alright. We entered the function name, this function name wrong. Let's find it. There it is. Generate animation, now that should do it. No warnings, no errors. Let's run the code again. Now if I enter I should be able to see, here we have it.
Nice. 2,000 years later.
There it is. It created the animated in a .mp4 file.
So there you have it. Drum roll, please. Your name animated in all its, okay, not what I was expecting. Glory? Maybe it's not quite Hollywood blockbuster material, but hey, it's yours. And that's the magic of Python. It lets you create, experiment, and laugh at yourself along the way. Let's listen to the song to see if you got it correct. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your coding cape or bathrobe, no judgment, and join the text mangling mayhem. Remember, coding is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get. But hey, at least you won't get the salmon-filled ones. Yikes. Unless you write the code wrong, then all bets are off.
If you found this video helpful, and if you had a great time, and if you are craving for more like this one, do me a great favor and put a big smile on my big face by simply subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Also,
I'm waiting for you in the comments section. Tell me how you felt when you saw the video.
until the next time, happy coding legends!